case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1861, the Supreme Court of Indiana presided over the case of Schnell v. Nell, which centered around the legal concept that a promise is only enforceable if it is backed by a legitimate exchange of value. The lawsuit arose when J.B. Nell sued Zacharias Schnell for breach of contract in relation to a 1856 written agreement. According to the agreement, Schnell was to pay Nell and two others $200 each, as specified in the will of his late wife, Theresa Schnell. However, the will became null when it was discovered that Theresa had no property in her name at the time of her death. The primary issue in the case was whether the written agreement contained sufficient consideration to hold Schnell legally responsible for the payments. The lower court ruled in favor of Nell, but the Supreme Court of Indiana ultimately overturned their decision. The court found that the promise to pay $600 in exchange for a nominal consideration was void, and that Schnell's love and affection for his deceased wife, along with her past services, did not constitute valid legal considerations for his promise to pay. Since the written agreement lacked adequate evidence to support Nell's claim, the case was sent back for reconsideration by the lower court. As a result, Nell was required to pay the costs of the appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.